So today we figured out what's going on with the wipers on the truck. And apparently we got you very greasy. So now the video's over, you're degreased. Here, watch some time lapse. Alright, here's our issue. One of these broke, which is not great. The other one came off pretty fine. It's really small. And I've already repaired this once, so that's great. But this is part of the wiper assembly. So this part here is bolted to the car. And as you can see, it is nicely cracked and about to fall out. So that's exciting and thrilling. But it still works-ish for now. So we're probably just going to repair it. We're also cheap. So there's that. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do to get that out. I'm probably going to have to grind it off or cut it off. And I don't even know if I have another bolt that'll fit that. But basically how this works, I can't really show you in the car very well. This part here is bolted down here. And there's actually some extra bits that are supposed to be on here. There's some extra layers that I don't have. They were kind of destroyed when I did it last time, so it's not here. But it's okay. This works sort of somewhat well. So this is adjustable, so that theoretically there is a ball on the actual motor. And theoretically, you can adjust this to position where the wiper is at certain points. Doesn't work very well because this mount is all cracked and broken. But anyway, the issue is this is too tall. So there's too much clearance. And the ball managed to wiggle its way out the other day as I was rolling down the road. So the plan was to just pull this off, hit this with a hammer, so make it a little flatter, and put it back on. That's not going to work because we broke this. So we have to try to find another piece of hardware we can weld in there to fix that. So that's where we are. Back to the time lapse. It's a fat man.
Batman.
It's fixed. As fixed as it's gonna get. It's got a lot of play, but it's okay. We'll replace it eventually. Right?
Right.
Right. There you go. There's your update. We'll see you tomorrow.